Did you know that in 2008, Mini unleashed a track-exclusive beast that redefined its racing pedigree? The Mini John Cooper Works Challenge wasn't just a car, it was a statement on wheels. Built on the R56 Mini Cooper S platform, the JCW Challenge was a factory-prepped race car designed for the Mini Challenge series. It featured a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 210 horsepower and 206 pound-feet of torque, enabling a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 6.1 seconds. This wasn't your average Mini. The JCW Challenge boasted a fully stripped interior, full roll cage, Recaro racing seats, and an air jack system for rapid pit stops. Its KW adjustable suspension and AP racing brakes ensured it was track ready straight from the factory. The car's aerodynamics were enhanced with a John Cooper Works aerodynamic kit, including a front splitter, rear diffuser, and adjustable rear wing. These components provided increased downforce, improving stability and grip at high speeds. The JCW Challenge wasn't road legal, it was a dedicated race car. It competed in various Mini Challenge series across the globe, including the UK, Germany, and Australia, showcasing Mini's commitment to motorsport. Despite its track-only status, the JCW Challenge influenced future Mini models. Its performance, parts, and engineering advancements trickled down to road-going JCW variants, bridging the gap between the racetrack and the street. The 2008 Mini John Cooper Works Challenge remains a testament to Mini's racing spirit. A true track titan, it continues to inspire enthusiasts and racers alike. Like what you see? Check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thank you for watching.